Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. For those that are new here and have stopped by my channel, thank you for stopping by. I am Simple Pretty Nails, where I make my designs simple but pretty. I have sometimes short nails and long nail designs to show you guys. I usually like to do sometimes the small and the longer version, of course, so you guys can see what it looks like. I love nails, you guys. I have been on this nail journey for about 5 years, for those that don't know me. And this has been quite an amazing journey. I love it. I have a lot of fun with it. And I'm always so excited to bring you guys information about great deals. Like I got this polish for $5. It's got the nail polish and it's got the gel. I love it. It's so cute. So I will be doing a new look with this one. I do my own little designs, as you guys can see. This video will be uploaded for those that like the tortoise. I love it. It's so cute, and especially for the fall, for fall weather time. It is so cute. And like I said, if you guys like this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, little bell. And right there, it will give you all the information when my videos are coming up. So we will have a lot of fun. Look forward to seeing all of you guys. And have a great day, everyone. And thank you for stopping by. Hey, YouTube. So, as you guys can see here, this is my old set that I have on. If you do like this set, I have it in there on my YouTube channel. And this one is a tortoise one. It's really cute. I love it. I'm going to be taking it off. And I'm going to go ahead and do my little Halloween look for you guys. So I'm going to take this off. And then the other hand, of course, I cut it short. But I wanted to show you guys. Look at how cute it looks. It still looks cute short. So here we are. Already took off the product. We need some brushes. Now remember, these colors I have, you can use your own. White, orange, we have some black. I have some little stickers. These you can get at any local beauty supply place. They even have them at CVS, you guys, and Walgreens. And they even have like the glow-in-the-dark little stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of these. So we are gonna go ahead and I'm going to do on the little pinky some orange with some little stars. We'll put some little bats. This is like really in style right now, this design. I saw it on Instagram, Pinterest. So I thought I'd make it for you guys so you guys can see how cute it looks. And it's not so hard. So we're just going to do the little outline, and you don't have to be perfect with it. Like you should just like do squigglies, and then you go ahead and paint it with the orange, and then you can do some little dots. And right here you guys are going to get to see, so I'm going to let you guys watch and see. I will be pausing when I stick my hand in the lamp, just so we don't waste too much time and we just get to the point of what we're doing. So I finally got sick, you guys. Finally. I didn't get so sick last year that I could remember, but it looks like this year it really got me this time. So the kids got a horrible cold. The oldest has a horrible cough. It hasn't gone away. And after her being sick for like a whole week, she finally got me sick. So now I've got the watery eyes, the nose running, a little bit of coughing. I'm trying to drink some tea to keep the chest warm. So right here you see we have we're gonna outline the black as well. So I want to put like some black glittery stuff right here. It's like a real cute polish I have. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the number of this one. Those are the D&D polishes that I have. You guys have seen them before because I have done designs with those. But the ones that I mainly use
is the glittery one is a D&D, and this one is $5.27. And for the black one, it is $4.47. So if you guys like those colors, you guys can always get them. They usually have them at the at any local beauty supply place. Sometimes, you know, you have to ask them and they'll show you where they're at, because I get so lost. There's so many like polishes that I'm like, oh, I need to know specifically, and you can ask them and they'll help you with that. Also, the orange one, that one I got it like, I'm gonna say 2 years ago. I got that one, and I got it from like Rite Aid or Walgreens. So usually they have that one. I believe it's like from the collection of the Sour Patch ones. And then the white one that I use, it's from Beetles. That one you can find on Amazon. They have them for like $6. So I think that's a great deal. And the white one, I usually use it for a lot of art. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and do the orange. Now, the orange that I have, just so you guys know, this is an actual nail polish. This is not a gel polish. I didn't get around to shopping for an orange one. I wanted to. I was going to, excuse me. I was gonna get on Amazon and look for it, but I got so sick, you guys. And even so that I'm sick, as you guys can see, I'm still doing my nails. It's like, that's not gonna stop me. That's for sure. So, the orange, I had to let it, excuse me, I'm so sorry, you guys. I think I'm gonna have to delete those little pieces when I'm coughing. So the gray is a polish, and I let that dry out. I kind of messed up a little bit with the orange, because I let it dry but not completely, and then I put the gel over it. So my advice to you all, if you do use polish, make sure you let it dry for a couple of hours, and then you can go back to your design and you can actually apply the clear gel, and it almost looks like the real gel polish, even though that it's nail polish. That method has worked for me, so you guys might want to try it, but make sure you let it dry for a couple of hours. I'm telling you, it's not gonna work unless you let it dry completely. Now, this Sour Patch orange that I bought, it's supposed to be those fast drying ones, so that's why I think it worked out as well. So I think if you guys buy like the polishes, if you don't want to buy gel and you buy those ones that dry fast, that could work, because I've tried it before and it does work, and it looks like real gel polish. Sometimes you could get those for like $1.99, and they have great colors. So this is our black one. Black is always messy. Always when I'm working with black or white, it's always a big mess. So you want to have a little brush. Don't be like me. I'm like really lazy at times. And you have to have your little alcohol. I've been using the alcohol and it's worked out. But I did notice if you get it too much like on the polish, when you dry it, it kind of wrinkles. So I think you have to let it dry out. So you guys know I do a lot of boo-boos, but I like to share them with you guys, so you guys do it a little more different than me, and it's gonna work better like that. I'm kind of impatient sometimes. I get too overly excited with my designs, and I'm like, oh my god, I just can't wait to see what this is gonna like turn out to look like and what it's gonna be. And oh my god, I get too excited, you guys. So word of advice, let it dry so that it doesn't wrinkle the nail polish when you put it into the lamp. I sound like a man. I apologize, you guys. I'm really sick. So right here we have the black, as you guys can see. I mean the black, oh my goodness. My apologies, you guys. The white. So I'm all over the place here. My husband does the editing for me, and He likes to speed it up for you guys, so I'm very thankful for the hubby. See, he speeds it up for you guys so you guys don't get bored. So right here, like always, you guys know me. That's why he speeds up the video a little, because I'm taking my time. I'm like, oh my goodness, what sticker am I gonna put? Which one's gonna be the special one? Because I don't want to just throw on whatever. So I'm kind of thinking about it. Like, is this gonna look cute? Is this not? So I do like the ones I picked out. As you guys can see, I'm always struggling one way or another. And I don't even have my nails long, so I'm using my fingers. And with these, you want to use these little, I don't know what you call them. I would say eye plucker. No, eyebrow plucker. No, that wouldn't be the right tool. But these little thingies you see here, those are the ones I'm using to pull out the little stickers. I suggest you really do use them. Unless you don't have nails on the other hand, then obviously you could use your actual real nail to pull them out. My youngest daughter usually helps me with that, but she's nowhere to be found. So I'm on my own on this one. So I have to use this little tool. Usually I use this tool sometimes to pick up the rhinestones. This is a cute ghost, you guys. Look at how cute. I wanted to draw it, but I was like, oh my goodness. I was sneezing, watery eyes, nose. So I think if I would have done it, my ghost would have came out. So like he was really out there. So I didn't want to risk it. So I just wanted to give you guys the idea that even with stickers, this looks so cool. So I try to draw like the moon kind of thing, and I'm trying to do it, and it just came out so bad, you guys. I totally left it alone. I didn't even want to mess with it, because seriously, the way I was feeling, I was like, oh my gosh, better than nothing. So you guys get the idea. You guys can draw better little moon than mine. I had to pause a lot, obviously, because I was in the middle of sneezing or blowing my nose. I was like, oh my goodness. So I love this video because I put so much love into this video, being sick and all. And I was like, I had so much fun with this video, you guys. This was a lot of fun. And then, of course, I'm going to attempt to draw Mr. Jack Skeleton. I hope I'm saying it right, but you guys get the idea. Now, I did notice on Pinterest and on Instagram, everywhere, everybody has it so different. Look at this cute design, you guys. That is so cute. I try to use the dotting tool, so because obviously I am not the best artist there is. My sister does an amazing job. I wish I could draw like her. And I actually, if you guys check out my my TikTok, which is Simple Pretty Nails, I'm gonna go ahead and post a picture of that Oogie Boogie, whatever they call him, that green guy monster. My little one drew it, and oh my god, you guys, it is amazing how beautiful it looks. So if you do want to see that, go ahead and look it up on TikTok. And obviously you guys know I'm Simple Pretty Nails. You'll find it there. I'm gonna post it today probably. So see, I struggled with the eyeballs. I think at one point I had to erase one of them. I was like, seriously, this guy is looking a little weird, but you know what? I love it. I got a lot of compliments from it, so then I did something right. And then over here, we're gonna try to do the spider web, of course. I was gonna do a spider, but then I decided to do the spider web. Look at how beautiful this is looking, you guys. The design is turning out exactly how I wanted it to look like. And now over here, we're gonna do the spider web. I do struggle with it. I believe I erased it maybe once as well. And I start all over again. You have to be very patient, and the slower you work with it, the better results you get, because when you try to go fast like me, because I'm trying to have some tea at this point and some medicine, I kind of rushed through it, but then I was like, what am I doing? I'm gonna mess it up. So I had to erase it with a little bit of alcohol. And then I started again. And obviously the slower you work, the better, so that you can get those little lines looking really nice and crisp. So I really love this design. Now I did mess it up because I tried to put, I did notice that I didn't cure it as well. And then I tried to put the clear top coat, screwed it up, you guys. I really messed it up. So I did take it off after the video because I was so overly like tired already when I was done, even though I was like super excited to do my design. But at the same time, you know how when you get that cold and you're feeling weak, like you're gonna pass out? So I'm keeping myself up as much as I could there. But I was like wanting to finish my design because I was so excited. I put a little spider. It's like so cute, you guys. Look, 2 little spiders. So you see, you can use stickers to your advantage. So this is the design. It is gorgeous, you guys. If you want to see the better one that I fixed, go to my TikTok and you'll find it there. And don't forget, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe.